Good morning traders. Today is 1st of April and the time is around 9:34 am. So today Nifty gave a gap up opening and is coming down slightly. So it's kind of a mixed sentiment right now. If we see Bank Nifty, the chart is very similar to Nifty, but Bank Nifty seems to be more weaker than Nifty. So we need to wait out for some more time to get a clarity on the market direction for the day. As of now, I haven't taken any trades. My order book and my position book is as seen here. So as soon as I get any entry, I'll let you know guys. Thank you. Welcome back traders. The time is around 9:48 and Nifty has been falling more since the opening, and a likely downtrend has been established for the moment. Same is with the Bank Nifty. So the market is going to be in a slight downtrend for the day, which is what I have read at the moment. But in order to enter short in Nifty, I would be more comfortable if Nifty moves to bit 14,800 levels. So if it reaches 14,800 levels and it faces a rejection, I would be willing to go short from this level. So at this moment there is no trade. I haven't taken any trades. This is my position book and order book. As soon as I get any entry, I'll update you guys. Thank you. Welcome back traders. The time is around 11:05 am and Nifty has been continuously falling since the opening. My earlier view was if it retraced to around 14,800 levels, I would go short from here, but then it did not retrace so much and it immediately fell to around 14,700 levels. So if we go short here, it is kind of risky because pullback is due, and if that happens, our stop loss will be taken. So what I am planning to do is I am going to wait for a retracement up to around 14,750 levels, and if there is some rejection again at this level, I would be willing to take a short position in Nifty. So that's the plan for the day at the moment, and I haven't taken any positions right now. My position book and the order book is as seen here. If at all I get any trades, I'll keep you updated guys. Thank you. Welcome back traders. The time is around 11:55 am and Nifty has started giving a pullback. It is at 14,740 now. So my plan is if it reaches 14,750 and gives a rejection at this level, I would be willing to go short. So at this moment I haven't taken any trades. This is my order book and position book. I'll let you know guys if I take any trades. Thank you. Welcome back traders. The time is around 12:30 and I have taken a short position in Nifty. I have bought Nifty 1st April 14,900 PE option at around 161, and my stop loss is at around 142.25, and my target would be around 217. So let us see how this trade plays out. I'll let you know the progress of this trade. That's it for now. Thank you. Welcome back traders. The time is around 12:42 and the trade is still on. So market looks weak, but it is taking some time to move down. Let us wait and watch what happens with the trade. I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back traders. The time is around 12:58 pm and my stop loss just got triggered and I'm out of the trade. So my position book is as seen here. I made a loss of around 4,970 rupees. So let us see if I get any more trades. I'll update you guys. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back, traders. The time is around 2:26 p.m. and Nifty has been showing a short covering rally once our stop loss got triggered at this level, and I'm not planning to take any more trades for the day because it's almost time and I need to square off my position at around 3, so it's not advisable to take a fresh position at this point of time. So only one trade for the day, and our position is around minus 4,970. That's it. I'll keep you updated for the next trading session, guys. Thank you.